Hey everybody, Janet Spisak here. It is a beautiful day in Everett to go live with this fantastic townhome in Silver Fir. We have somebody cleaning the gutters across the street, which is including the HOA. So it's a little bit noisy out here because they're doing some cleaning. However, I had to show this to you because it's going live today, and I wanted to give you a sneak peek. So it's 1,800 square feet. $499,000, that's opening bid price, and 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, central location, Silver Firs, the Everett Mill Creek area. You got to see this place, it's very special. All right, welcome home. First, let's just take a look at the specialized flooring, stairwell. So we've got maple with slate inlays, slate in the kitchen. We've got live edge marbled maple on the treads and hand cut stone on the risers. We have a handmade iron rail. I mean, we just walked in. Let's take a look. All right, so through that area we'll just take a quick walk. There's the garage. We have storage right here. And then that is the laundry space. It has, oh, I didn't turn the light on. It has built-in cabinetry, stacked laundry, and then a cute little powder room. Please note these doors are incredible. They are knotty alder, and every single room in the house has that, including all the closets and everything upstairs. It's fantastic. These doors are probably $700 a piece. Incredible. And these floors are literally one of a kind and frankly priceless because they're all hand done, hand laid, hand cut, all hardwood. It's all right, getting back to the show. Here is this kind of fabulous gourmet type of kitchen. We have granite countertops, all stainless steel appliances. The range stove oven is brand spanking new. Nobody's even used it. And it looks out over all of your great living space, including your private, fantastic backyard. Wait till you see the backyard. All right. So take a look at this. We have this, I'm just going to be saying custom and handmade all the way through this, but we've got this shelving, custom shelving, and then take a look at that sweet office space under the stairwell. He's created a beautiful office space, and look, extra shelving, but wait, give it a tug, and it shows storage underneath the stairwell. Creative, I love it. Okay, so we have new lighting here. So we've got dining area and sitting and eating on the peninsula area. And then we swoop around here to this massive living room overlooking the deck / backyard. The floors are so clean. Oh, let's not forget, there's a gas fireplace too. How awesome is that? With, again, the stone hand laid and installed and cut. All right, so let's head out to this. Wait till you see this. This is a place you want to come and hang out and never leave. I'm not even kidding. I have spent a lot of time on this deck, and it is an awesome, entertaining deck. All right, well, I'll have to turn the lights on, but it's gonna rain here, so we've got these fabulous giant seating area covered up. That fire pit is incredible. Take a look at the pictures, and in the link I'll add the listing, because the pictures of the fire pit are actually the real pictures of the fire. It is massive. It has 250,000 BTUs, so that thing puts off a lot of heat. We've got these handcrafted stone flower beds, obviously plumbed for hot tub, wired for hot tub. And then we step down onto this hand cut, hand laid, meticulously cut and laid stone here. We've got storage back here, additional storage. I'm gonna go ahead and close that for now. And then we've got the gate to the outside. Now, what's great about this is he's also added a special little gate and cubby for trash cans, and then that takes you out to the front yard. So there are a drip line water system into all the flower beds. There are low voltage lighting out here, super ambient. Oh, you know what I forgot to tell you? Look at this. Yeah. You want to sit out here and watch a movie by the firelight? Go ahead. You've got a screen right here. Nothing wasn't thought of around here. It is perfect. I love it. All right, let's head upstairs. I was gonna take my shoes off because these floors are so clean, they're squeaky, but okay. Look at this. Those are my shoes. Again, those are off the floors. There's like not one squeak in these floors, by the way. Oh, and look, more beautifully hand-cut maple. These, I think, are 4-inch plank leading into this massive master bedroom. That is a giant king-size bed, and there is a ton of room in here. Note privacy, love that. Lots and lots of space here. So let's pan out back this direction so you see the scope of how big it is. And then we have a beautiful walk-in closet, well lit, fancy built-ins. And then we've got a double vanity, brand new countertops in this space. Let's get in here a little bit further. Again, knotty alder doors all throughout this area. I love this because, oh, hi. It's got a great big landing area here. Feels very spacious. Another giant closet full of lots of room to put your things. And then here is the main bathroom upstairs with it's full. Awesome. This is one of the bedrooms. They're all very large bedrooms. That sauna will go with the seller when they leave. And so, but you can see how massive these bedrooms are. Beautiful closet doors. And here is the third bedroom, which is also massive. And this bedroom has its own, walk-in closet. This place is incredible. We're going live today, which is March, what is today? 4th, 5th? We are going to review offers on the 8th at 3 o'clock. We expect offers in on Monday the 8th. And you do not want to miss this property. Tag somebody if somebody needs to see this. Again, it's Silver Firs in Everett, which is the Everett-Mukilteo area. We're listing at $499. 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,818 square feet. No attention to detail was missed. It is a fabulous place. So if you want to talk to me about it, give me a call. My number is 425-268-3353. And I am going to push this beauty live right now and let the windfall of people come see it. Give me a call. Thanks.